Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video. Today's video is solving limits problems. This is a question, it seems not difficult, but it can be challenging. Some might think that why not just apply L'Hopital and solve it? Yes, we can do that, but L'Hopital should be applied indirectly after we completed some steps. Rewrite the question become L equals to limits x tends to 0. The numerator is tangent square x and then minus x squared, while the denominator is x squared tangent square x. So can we just apply L'Hopital rules here to solve it? No, you cannot, because the denominator is going to be much more complicated every time we differentiate. I think best is to find a way to cancel off the tangent square x in the denominator. Rewrite the L become limits x tends to 0, numerator is tangent square x minus x squared, while the denominator is x power 4. And then we multiply another limit, which is 1 over limits of x tends to 0, tangent square x over x squared. Here we can apply Taylor series for tangent x, which is equals to x plus x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus 2x power 5 divided by 15, and then plus other terms in the higher order. That gives us tangent x divided by x equals to 1 plus x power 2 divided by 3 plus 2x power 4 divided by 15, and then plus other terms in the higher order. Now we can apply limits x tends to 0, which means all the x are 0, which means the limit here is equals to 1. Which means the second part of the limit L is equals to 1. Now we have the question L without tangent in the denominator. We can rewrite L become limits x tends to 0, tangent x plus x and then divide by x. And then multiply another limits, which is limit x tends to 0, tangent x minus x divided by x power 3. So we can split the limit L become L1 multiply L2. L1 is quite easy, which is equals to limits x tends to 0, tangent x over x and then plus 1. Obviously, answer of L1 is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. L2 equals to limits x tends to 0, tangent x minus x and then divide by x power 3. Put in x equal to 0, we have 0 divided by 0. That allows us to use L'Hopital rules, which is equals to limit x tends to 0, secant power 2x minus 1 and then divide by 3x power 2. We know secant 0 equals to 1. That gives us 0 divided by 0 again, which means we need to apply L'Hopital rules again. L2 become limit x tends to 0, 2 multiply tangent x multiply secant square x and then divide by 6x, which is again equals to 0 divided by 0. One last time of L'Hopital rules. L2 become 1 over 3 multiply limits x tends to 0. The numerator is secant square x multiply secant square x plus 2 tangent x multiply secant square x multiply tangent x, while the denominator is differentiate x, which is equals to 1. Putting x equals to 0 into the equation, we have 1 over 3 and then multiply 1 plus 0, which means L2 is equals to 1 over 3. Previously we found L1 equals to 2 and the original question L equals to L1 multiply L2. That brings us to the conclusion of this video. The final answer of this question is 2 over 3. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please continue support my channel, subscribe, give a like and share my video with others. See you soon for my next video. Bye bye.